Hey everyone, this is Mason. Welcome back to the Herb Rally Podcast. Today I'm going to let you know about an upcoming event. It's with Jade Shutes at Yarrow Mountain Farm, which is located in Stuart, Virginia. It's a 3-day hands-on exploration of the ancient alchemical art of aromatic distillation. You will not only learn about the aromatic distillation process, but also take a deep dive into the role aromatic plants and aromatic distillation have in cultivating our relationship with the five elements and nature, and as a journey of self-reflection and transformation. Through the use of Goethean contemplative plant study, you'll be guided in cultivating a new relationship with aromatic plants. So they do have a session in April, but I wanted to let you know that they also have a May session, and that's going to be May 19th to the 23rd, 2022. And the URL is pretty long to say here, so the link will be in the show notes. I'll put it right near the tippy top so it's easy to find. But specifically, Jade's website is aromaticstudies.com. But again, the link to this exact course is going to be in the podcast description. So why attend this aromatic distillation retreat? The 3-day distillation retreats will be an opportunity of exploring the traditional method of extracting the aromatic hydrosols and essential oils while embarking on an alchemical journey and experience. And in the May workshop, Jude is bringing in a special guest distiller. That's Heidi Nielsen. And she's a distiller of rose and other aromatics native to Vancouver, Canada. And you could see her full bio as well as Jade's full bio in the link in the description. So throughout your time together, you're going to learn about different types of stills, alembic and stainless steel, how to assemble, disassemble, clean, and care for your distillation equipment, types of heat and water to use, how to load the still with plant material, the value of keeping a distillation journal, how to harvest and prepare different types of plant material, how the five elements are woven into your experience of the natural world and supports embodiment, what to look for when purchasing your first still, contemplative practices to deepen your relationships with aromatic plants, how to utilize hydrosol for self-care and in practice, how aromatic distillation is a tool for personal transformation, how aromatics positively impact the body and psyche, and a lot more. So one more time, for full details and to register, just click on the link in the show notes. This is the Aromatic Distillation Retreat with Jade Shutes, and it's May 19th to the 23rd, 2022 at Yarrow Mountain Farm in Stuart, Virginia. So thanks so much for listening, and I will talk to you on the next episode. Take care.